Do you wish to see more butterflies fluttering about in your garden? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're delving into the top 5 ways to make your garden irresistible to these beautiful creatures. Stay tuned to learn how to create your own butterfly haven. First on our list is planting nectar-rich flowers. These floral delights, such as milkweed, coneflowers, and zinnias, act like magnets for butterflies with their sugary, irresistible nectar. Remember, the sweeter the nectar, the more butterflies it will attract. Secondly, consider creating sunbathing spots. Butterflies, being cold-blooded, need the sun to warm up. You can use flat stones or simply clear open areas in your garden to serve this purpose. Remember, a warm butterfly is a happy butterfly. Thirdly, setting up butterfly feeders can be quite effective. Butterfly feeders supplement the nectar from flowers, providing additional nutrition. You can use a simple dish with ripe fruit or a specialized butterfly feeder. Feeding butterflies is as simple as providing them with a fruit salad. A fourth on our list is providing water. Butterflies need water not only to drink, but also to cool down and to gather minerals. Shallow dishes, bird baths, or even wet sand can be perfect for this purpose. Just like us, butterflies also need to stay hydrated. Finally, it's crucial to avoid using pesticides. These chemicals not only eliminate pests, but also harm butterflies and other beneficial insects. Organic gardening practices are a great alternative, promoting a healthy, vibrant ecosystem. Remember, a pesticide-free garden is a butterfly-friendly garden. And there you have it, the top 5 ways to attract butterflies to your garden. From planting nectar-rich flowers and creating sunbathing spots, to setting up butterfly feeders, providing water, and avoiding pesticides. Each of these steps contributes to creating a welcoming haven for our fluttering friends. So, why not give these tips a try and watch as your garden becomes a bustling butterfly hub? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!